So yeah, so the thing is, let's draw, first of all let's draw a thing. So this is our rectangle. As usual, if you want to change this color, you just need to double click here, then you may change this color like this. We already know. If you want to change the stroke color, that means this color, you just need to double click here, pop-up will be open, then we need to select the color, then hit OK, it will be changed. If you want to make rounder, okay, you can do this like this. Okay, if you want to if you want to round, you know, only this corner, you just need to click here, then you can do this like this. Okay, if you want to duplicate this one, press Alt. Okay, if you want to reflect this one, let's say I want to reflect this one, so you have to go there, then make it like reflect like this way. You have to press Shift, so it will be, as you can see here, then you have to drag it. As you can see here, I can easily reflect this one. So if you want to make, as you can, this is the, you know, this is not in a group, so if you want to make all of them in a group, you just need to select two of them, like two things, two shapes in one time, then right click here, then click group. Okay, then if you want to make a, you know, duplicate, as you can see, this is now in group. If you want to make duplicate, you have to go edit, copy, then again select this one, edit, paste in front. So if I drag and drop here, as you can see, there are now two things, right? Again, let's say this is now there, so you want to reflect this one. Okay, so again you have to go there, then you have to press Shift, cancel, you have to press Shift, sorry, Shift, and yeah, there is our middle point. Okay, let's say I want to like this, then you may join this one. So do you understand, guys, how we can do this? So there was only one in rectangle, then finally we convert it into like this shape. So this is the main thing, guys. If you have the basic knowledge about the tools, so you can easily make. So yeah, if you want to let's say I want to ungroup the things, so you have to select all of this thing, and right click, then ungroup. Once you ungroup, then you may like do this like this. Okay, this is the thing, guys, as you can see here. Okay, so this is done. Okay, free transform. Okay, I think yeah, we are done. This is our reflect tool. Reflect tool. Okay, so the next thing is scale tool. So if you want to scale your shape, okay, from left x axis or y axis, or from left, right, top, bottom, in that case you may use this one, is scale tool. Okay, it will scalize your shape or design. So let's draw a rectangle so that we could understand easily. Okay, this is our rectangle, right? Let's say I want to scalize this one. Okay, I want to modify this one. So in that case you have to go here, then you have to, as you can see here, if you move your mouse, first of all you need to click here, you need to press your left key from your mouse, then you may scalize this one like this. If you move your mouse, let me zoom out my canvas. So if you want to zoom in and zoom out in your canvas, you have to press Alt, then you have to change, you have to scale, you have to use your mouse wheel, so that it will be zoom in, zoom out. Then let's say if you want to make it scalize, so you have to go there, then as you can see here, I'm moving my cursor from top to bottom, that's why it's scalize from top to bottom, this shape. If I change my mouse from left to right, it will scalize from left to right. This is the thing. As you can see here, guys, now I'm moving my mouse from, as you can see here, if you see okay, if you see my center point, this is my center point. Okay, I move my mouse in this perspective, okay, in this y axis, I think x axis. So in that case it will expand from this side, it will expand from this direction to this direction. If I move my mouse from this selection, like this selection, so it will expand from this direction to this direction. So this is the thing, guys. Scalize. Okay, it depends on you. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand, guys? Scalize. Thank you, Modena, for your response. Thank you, Deba, also. Thank you. Okay, Nargis, do you understand?
No, teacher.
Okay, let me repeat. Okay, the first thing is, let's say I want to, shape. You have to scalize from your this point. As you can see here, if you want to scalize from left and bottom, you have to move your mouse from left side to right side, so it will be scalized. If you want to make it that longer, you have to move your mouse from top to bottom, so it will scalize your shape. You understand, Nargis? You have to press left key from your mouse, then you have to move your mouse, so it will be scalized. If I move it like this, it will be changed. Okay, as you can see here, first of all, you need to select your position. As you can see, this is my center position. If I change, this is my main position. So first of all, you have to select your position. This is my position, main position. Now if you want to scalize from top to bottom or left to right, so in that case you have to move your mouse from this pointer. So as you can see here, if I move my mouse from this pointer, it will be scalized. As you can see here, this is the thing. I hope you understand. Okay, the next tool is share tool. This is also something like that. So as you can see here, let me draw this one. As you can see here, this is my straight rectangle. Okay, this is my straight rectangle. If I make to like this share like one kind of reflection effect, so in that case you may use this one. As you can see here, if I look, as you can see, it will modify something like this. As you can see here, maybe sometime you want to design a logo, so in that case you may draw again. Let's say again, then let's say I want to move this one like in this direction. So yeah, as you can see here, you can easily move change your you can easily modify your rectangle. As you can see here, let's say I want to draw something like this, and if you want to make it like rotate in this direction, so you will get, as you can see here. Okay, let's make it none. Okay, let's press alt to make a duplicate layer. So let's make it something like this. As you can see here, this is, if I make it yeah, if I increase this the stroke size, and if I make it something like this, as you can see here, this is looking a shape. As you can see here, something like this. So by the help of share tool, you may easily change the perspective of your object. Do you understand, guys? Okay, thank you, Diba. Thank you, Madina. Okay, and Zinat, you may watch my recorded lesson. I think you missed, so don't worry about it. Okay, and the next thing is reshape. Reshape means, let's say you have already design. So let's go there. This is my design. As you can see here, let's make it none, the fill color none, and let's make it the stroke color to this color, black color. Or you may double click there, then change the color. Then you may also increase the the width. Let's go here. Let's go here. Yeah. Then properties. Where is the properties panel? Stroke. As you can see here, you may increase the stroke from appearance. As you can see. Okay. So this is our stroke, like shape. So if you want to reshape this one, like modify this one, okay, in that case you may use reshape tool. As you can see, reshape. So it will help you, as you can see here, you may make it like this. You may make it like this. Okay, you have to you have to click the path. As you can see, this is called the main path. If you see any if you see any shape, there should be a this type of lines. There should be a line. This is your main path. Okay, so in that case, if you want to reshape this one, you just need to click here. Okay, then as you can see here, this is my path, and in this path I can easily reshape this one, my design, as you can see here. So sometime you need to reshape your uh, design. So in that case, you have to work on it like this. There's your reshape button. Okay, and the next tool is interesting tool, width tool. So let's delete this one. Okay, and let's draw a line. Okay, only line. As you can see, this is line. I have already discussed this one, guys. So I just draw a line. Okay, this is my line. So let's say I want to modify this one. I want to make this line into this shape, as you can see here, this shape. Okay, or maybe I want to increase this width. Okay, from this pointer to this pointer, like this. So in that case, width tool help us. As you can see here, first you have to select this one, then you have to choose a pointer. Hello, Zinat. Yes.
Sir, teacher.
Yeah, I can't hear you. Can you type your question in chat? Zinat. You may type your question in chat. I can't hear you. Okay. So as you can see here, let's say I want to increase the width. So in that case, you have to choose a, this is our main path, right? As you can see here, if you hover over your mouse, it will say path, PATH path. So this is our main path. Okay. If first of all, you need to locate at your targeted position. Okay. As you can, this is my position. Then if you press left key, if you want to if you press left button from your mouse, then if you increase, from top, as you can see here, from top to bottom like this, or maybe like this, as you can see here, it will increase your width of this tool. So this is one kind of magic. As you can, this is our straight line. If you want to modify your straight line, increase the the width of a stroke, then if you like this. So in that case, you can easily modify. You can easily increase the width, and you can easily modify your shape. Does it make sense, guys? Do you understand? Guys, do you understand? Thank you, Modina. Okay, as you can see here, you can take any of this. As you can see, this is another shape. So width tool helps you to increase the width. Okay, thank you for your response, guys. Okay, let's delete this one. This is an interesting tool because let me show you something. Let me try to draw a what is this, a flower or something like that. Let's delete this one. I don't want. Let's make this one to 2. Then enter. No, I need only 2. Then enter. Let's draw a ellipse tool. Okay, this ellipse tool, let's change to fill color. So this is our main color. This is our main flower. Okay. Okay, let's draw a line, something like this. Then let's make this color to I am looking for pinky. Not pinky color, I think. Okay, green color. Okay, let's go for it. Let's increase little bit. Then let's go there. Then let's increase the width. I think it should be something like this. Okay. Then let's press Ctrl J. Now, okay. Ctrl J or no. Let's press Alt to duplicate like this. Then you may do this something like this. Then Ctrl D. Okay, let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this. Then you may change like this. Press Alt to make a duplicate. Press Alt to make a duplicate. Like this. Like this. Okay, it should be. Press Alt. As you can see, this is one kind of, this is not accurate, so don't worry about it. In the future, we will learn about like accurately. Okay, if you want to like duplicate in the same distance, we will learn in the next class, I think. But this is one kind of flower. I know this is not looking good, but this is the way. So let me share the screenshot so you could try on at your house. Okay. So this is the thing, as you can see here, guys, how we can easily turn our uh, turn a small line, a line into a flower. So this is the main thing, guys. First of all, you need to learn the with sorry, first of all, you need to learn the basic thing, then you can do anything, because graphic design is all about your creativity. If you have creativity, and I know, guys, you are everyone is creative person, I know, because you are choosing this platform, this design sector, so you must be creative. Okay. Okay, let's discuss the next thing. Next thing is uh, 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 then, as you can see here. Okay, next thing is rep tool, thread tool, pucker tool, blot tool, blot tool, scallop tool, crystallize tool, wrinkle tool. So each and every tool is almost similar. Okay, it will just modify your design into a new look. This is the main thing. Okay, then as you can see here, I use width tool to create a flower. So by the help of rep tool, trim tool, you may create your own design. So as you can see here, rep tool. If I click the rep tool, then if I press my mouse like this, so it will, as you can see here, it will modify the design, as you can see here, something like this. So maybe sometime you need this type of shape. As you can, this is a new shape. The shape was only as you can see, this is only a ellipse tool, or it's just a uh, it's just a circle. So then you may create your you may modify your circle in this shape. So this is all about your creativity, guys. As you can see here, I have converted another circle to this one. So this is the thing. This is a easy thing. First of all, you need to draw your targeted shape. Uh, then you may like click like this, like this, like this. Do you understand, guys? This is a easy tool. Okay, this tool will helps you to modify the shape. As you can, this is another shape. Okay, I have converted a circle into different shape. I also converted a rectangle into different shape. And the next thing is, guys, trial tool. So trial tool helps you to make it. Let me draw like this. Then if you are using trial tool, it will like this. It will, like, as you can see here, this is like this. So these tools only helps you to create a new shape, new design. This is the main thing. Okay, trial tool. If you use this one, as you can see, it will make something like this. This is another design. It's one kind of design. Maybe you may use as a abstract in your design. Okay, you may use. This is the thing, guys. Okay, then delete. Okay, let's try another one like this. Okay, then plucker tool. So let's make it like this. Okay, then let's select our tool. As you can, this is our tool. So So if you click here, there's a pucker tool. Okay. So you click here. Oh, let's make it a little bit later. Okay, where is our tool? Okay, if you click here, something like, as you can see here, I'm just pressing my left, left icon, left button from my mouse. Then it will modify something like this. Then if you click here, it will one kind of magnet, guys. As you can see here, one kind of magnet. It will make smoother from the inside circle. As you can see here, I mean to say, so my my shape was something like this. Okay, if I use Packer tool, if I use this point in Packer tool, it will helps you to make smaller. Like it will helps you to make something like smaller in this direction. Okay, it will one kind of magnet. Okay, this magnet will be it will make it something like this. It will also like modify my shape into this direction. As you can see here, if I use this one, as you can see here, it helps me to make it something like this. So if I work from this platform, from this pointer, it will like this, like this, as you can see here, like this. So if I got another pointer, so it will make something like this. If I got another pointer, it will make something like this, as you can see here. This is how I modify my uh, rectangle into a different shape. Okay, do you understand, guys? This is the Packer tool. And the opposite tool of Packer is blot tool. So uh, it will shrink your shape, not inside inside position. It will shrink yours in the outside position. So let me show you. So if I click here, if I go here, so as you can see here, it will if I click here, it will expand. So it will work something like this. So let's say this is my position. Uh, this is my brush. So if I press in this pointer, it will expand. It will expand your design, as you can see here. But in Packer tool, if I click here, it will help you to go in this direction. Okay, so the direction is different. If I use a blot tool, it will expand in like outside area. If I use the Packer tool, it will expand in inside area. It will shrink in inside position. Do you understand, guys? Does it make sense, guys? Okay, thank you, Diba and Madina. Thanks a lot for your response. Okay, as you can see here, if I click here, it will expand. It will expand. But if I use Packer tool, it will work in the inside surface. As you can see, if I make it something like this, so it will like Packer tool. As you can see here, guys. As you can see here, it will. As you can see here, it will work in the inside surface. As you can see here. Okay, this is the main difference between the Packer tool and the blot tool. Okay, so let's move forward to a scale up tool. So this is another one kind of modify or modification tools. This is the thing. So if I use this tool, so it will, as you can see here, it will make something like this type of abstract or this type of things. As you can see here, if I click here, it will make something like this, guys. As you can see here. So if you see, this is a different, this is looking good. So let's try to open an image. Open, then downloads, then let's open this one, or is there an image? Okay, not me. Let's open this boy, then drag and drop it here. Okay, then make it little bit smaller, then right click on it, arrange, bring to front, then select both of them, then right click here, make clipping mask. Yes, as you can see here, it's looking good. What do you think, guys? So let me take a screenshot to group so people will know that. Okay, as you can see here, this is nice, right? So this is the purpose, guys, like scale up. Maybe for now, I just use a frame, image frame. Maybe whenever you are working on your project, maybe you will use this one for another purpose. This is up to you guys. All about you, all about you, all about your creativity. Okay, let's see the next one, which is crystallize tool. So if you use this one, it will like something like this. As you can see here, it will now, if I click here, it will like make something like this. So this is just one kind of modify. Okay. Then the last one, wrinkle tool. So if I click here, and if I go there, if I increase this thing, as you can see here, so it will make something like this type of, corner, as you can see here. This is one kind of web, guys, right? One kind of web, boys web. So wrinkle tool, this is the wrinkle tool, guys. As you can see here. So this is like this. Then maybe we can increase like this. This is a web, one kind of boys web, if you see. So you may use this one shape. If you use for any, for any corner, maybe in your design, it will looks good. Maybe sometime you will use from corner only this part, so it will looks more attractive in your design. Okay, this is the tool, guys. Do you have any question, guys? Should I repeat anything else or move forward? What should I do? Madina, thank you. Diba, thank you. Thank you for your response, guys. Highly appreciate your response. Okay. Let's see the next tool. Next tool is, guys, free transform tool. Free transform tools means this tool that we have already used. Oh, thank you, Madina. That we have already used. Okay, free transform means, as you can see here, this is my shape. This is my shape. So if you go here, free transform tool. So the same thing, as you can see here. You can modify you can increase and decrease the size, as you can see that you have already did. They will give you another perspective distort. Perspective distort meant if you want to transform like this, it will, as you can see here, it will transform something like this in this perspective. If you click here, then if you transform, it will transform something like this, as you can see here. So this is this will transform in different perspective. Okay, guys, as you can see here. So as usual, we are just modifying one perspective. Okay, but if you want to modify in different perspective, this tools will help you to modify in different perspective. Does it make sense? I hope you understand, guys. Okay, let's move the puppet trap tool. If you remember, guys, we also have the perspective wrap tool in Adobe Photoshop, right? In Adobe Photoshop, whenever we are working on for any image, so we also have the same tool, perspective wrap tool or perspective. Yeah, puppet wrap tool. Sorry, puppet wrap tool, not perspective. Okay, puppet wrap tool. We also had puppet wrap tool in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so let's draw something else. Let's draw. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Okay. Let's go here. Let's change it to, if I click here, so it is the fill color will change into stroke color. If I click here, as you can see here, it's changed. If I increase the size, it will be something like this. As you can see, I have increased the size from here, from the top part. Okay. Let's make it. Then let's go there. Pen tool. Okay, let's go. I want to draw a person. Okay. So no. I think we should yeah. Let's try to draw something else, something interesting thing. So yeah. Okay. Then go to there. Okay. Then let's draw his leg, something like this. Okay. Let's again draw his legs. Let's draw his hand. Okay. Let's draw his hand as well. This is not looking good, guys. Okay, so let's say I want to change the perspective of this design. So as you can see here, let's say I want to change this perspective, like say this one. First of all, you have to select, let's say I let's select this one. Let's go to wrap tool. Then you may take some pointer. So maybe I can take pointer here, I can take pointer. Then if I make it something like that, you can see here, I can modify his face, as you can see here. Okay, then let's select this one, this leg. I want to modify this length, as you can see here, this his leg, something like this. Maybe I may increase or I may decrease, something like this. Maybe I can increase something, as you can see here. Okay, so let's say I want to work on, I also work for this one. So in that case, let's go here, let's take a pointer, then let's make something like this. Okay, we can also work for a specific rectangle. So just go here, then drag and drop. Then let's change. For now, let's switch our swipe, our stroke color to fill color. Just click here, it will be swipe. Then let's go here. No, not this one, not this one. Yeah, this one. So as you can see here, you can take your own pin, then you can modify, as you can see here. Click here, click here, click, 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 as you can see here, guys. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand the puppet wrap tool? Thank you. Let's press Ctrl A and delete. Okay, let's go to the next tool, which is shape builder tool. This is an interesting tool, guys. Okay, so first of all, let's swipe fill color to stroke color. Let's draw something like this. Oh, it should be this. Okay. Okay. Good. Let's go there. Let's select. Let's delete. Okay. Then okay. Okay. Like this. Okay. Let's say, as you can see here, this is a different shape, guys. Right? We know that this is different. This is, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rectangle, but this is not in now. This is not united. Okay, you want to make join this shape. Okay, as you can see here, if we think about, if we join only this corner and this corner and this corner, this shape will be different, right? Instead of a square, the shape will be different. So for this perspective, uh, you may use shape builder. So shape builder tool, whenever you need to unite something else, whenever you want to join one shape with another shape, in that case you may use shape builder tool. Okay, first of all, you have to select all of this shape. Okay, let's select all of this shape like this. Okay, done. Then let's say I want to join this corner with along with this rectangle. So in that case, let's go here, let's select, as you can see, selected, as you can see here. Let's select, okay, let's add, let's delete this one, let's delete. Okay, as you can see here, if you see here, now the shape is different. Do you understand, guys? Should I repeat again? So if you see our previous shape was something like this. If I focus something like this, if I focus like for this shape something like this, if I focus for this one something like this, but with the help of shape builder tools, we just easily united this shape with this one, then we can get this output. Okay, as you can see here, this is a different thing. So let me show you with another example so it could be easier to you, because this shape builder is useful especially whenever you design logo. Okay, whenever you design logo, this, as you can see here, now I have two, as you can see here, this is my two ellipse tool currently. So if you select one like this, then go to shape builder, then let's make it something like this, so that, as you can see here, this is a new shape, something like this. Okay, if I make it something like this, as you can see here, this is a new shape. There is another concept. If you go there, then if you go there, so first of all, let's increase the stroke size so that we can easily see. Then for now, let's select all of them. Then where is our shape builder tool? Then let's make only this thing. Let's delete. As you can see, this is another thing. This is another shape. Okay. If you try something like this, then let's select. Let's go here. Let's just delete this path. As you can see, this is another shape. Okay. This is all about your creativity, guys. If you want to, like, let's say I have, this two thing. Okay, I want to take only this common part. So you just need to click here. Then go to shape builder. And let's take this one. Oh, let's unbind this one like this. This is a new shape. If you click here, then change this color. This is another shape. It's a one kind of teeth. Do you understand, guys? Shape builder. Okay. Okay, 60 minutes left. Okay. Okay, live paint bucket. Okay. Let's again select all of them. Control A, then delete. Dismiss. Okay. So let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go to rectangle. Rectangle. Let's make it, stroke instead of fill color. Again, just click here, press eyedropper, click here, it will change. Okay. So as you can see here, we have this. Let's try another one like this. Let's try another one like this. Let's try another one like this. Okay. So let's take a, fill color. It should be pinky, 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 pinky. Okay, pinky, pink color. That means pink color. Okay. So yeah. So as you can see here, if I select all of this thing, not this one. Okay. Let's make it none. Okay, for now. Okay. So yeah, let's go there. Let's double click here. Let's take a pinky color, pink color. Okay. Okay. So if I go there, live paint bucket, painting. Okay. Let's say I want to make paint, like I want to colorize this one. Okay. So in that case, first of all, you have to select there. Okay, this is all of this, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5 rectangle. Okay, I want to make this one in another color. Maybe it would be red color. I want to make this one in green color. So in that case, first of all, you have to select your color. I have selected this color. Now if I go there, okay, first of all, let me select this color. Okay, then go there. Then if you go there, where is our tool? Which one? Live bucket tool. Then if you click here, then let's say I want to draw this color. As you can see here, let's change this color to maybe blue color. Okay, I want to click here. As you can see here, let's say I want to change this color to another color. So I can do this. So by the help of this tool, as you can see here, we can colorize in a group in different color. Do you understand, guys? By the help of this tool, live paint bucket, we can colorize different colorize in a group of rectangle. Thank you, Deba, Madina, and Modina. Okay, then delete. Okay. Or the next thing is, if you go here, this is called live paint selection tools. That means you can select, as you can see, I can select this one, then I can change this color to maybe this color. I can select this part, then maybe I can change this color to any other color. That means you can select each and every, as you can see, area. So if you change it to like this color, then if you hit OK, as you can see here, select means you can select each and every pitch of group. This is the thing. And the next thing is, guys, perspective grid tools, which is only for the 3D model. Okay, as you can see, guys, if you want to be a 3D designer, 3D model designer, like cartoon, 3D cartoon, and the other object, if you want to be a like 3D artist, so you have to move yourself into Blender, Maya, and there are lots of application to create a 3D object. If you watch any 3D movie, 3D cartoon, maybe Inside Out 2, and there are lots of shark and the other stuff, there are lots of 3D movie. So if you want to like, if I get 3D like Inside Out cartoon, like 3D animation. Okay, the main thing is 3D animation. As you can see here, this is 3D animation. Okay, 3D animation. So if you want to create a 3D object, you have to move yourself into Maya, Blender, or any other software for 3D character creating purpose. Okay, but in Adobe Illustrator we can also create some 3D object, but this is basic, this is not advanced. Okay, but if you want to be a professional 3D artist, you have to switch yourself into another 3D software, which is Blender, Maya, and the other stuff. But in Adobe Illustrator, we can create like 3D object. Okay, we can create 3D object. So in that case, there is a tool which is called perspective tools. 3D means you have to work in three dimensional. 3D means 3-dimensional. 2D means 2-dimensional. Okay, so if you click here, perspective grid tools, then if you click here, you will see there is a perspective, which is 2-dimensional for now. As you can see, 2-dimensional. So if you select this one, as you can see, I have selected this part, which is left grid. Then if I draw something, it will be drawing the left, as you can see, left grid. If I click here in the right grid, then if I draw something else, it will be draw in the right. Then if I click bottom, it will be draw in the bottom surface, as you can see here. Okay, then if I go here, then if I click close, so you will see this is the perspective. As you can see, this is a 3D. As you can see here, this is the left 3D. This is one kind of 3D object. Okay, as you can see here, this is from the right perspective, this is from the left, this is from the bottom. So if you want to be expert in 3D object creation, you have to move yourself from Adobe Illustrator to Blender or any other software. So this is only this tools will help you to create some 3D object, basic 3D object in Adobe Illustrator. Do you understand, guys? Then selection tools, if you go here, so if we appear your 3D grid, as you can see, this is our 3D grid. Then if you want to select the surface, so you have to go here, then you can select, as you can see here, I can select my surface. Maybe you can also select like this. But this is one kind of selection. Okay, if you want to select your surface, so you can use this one. Perspective selection tools, same as group paint bucket selection tools. Whenever you paint anything else, if you want to select each and every part, you may use this one. But whenever you are working on 3D perspective tools, if you want to select each and every surface, you may work on it. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. This is all about for 3D purpose. Okay, and the next tool is mesh tools. This is mesh, I think. Mesh, gradient, eyedropper, and the blend tool. I think we should discuss this tool in the next class. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I think we should discuss in the next class because we are already done. Yeah, in the next class, maybe I will discuss about these tools. Then I will do some object. I will create some object. I will create some object with tools that we have already learned. Okay. So do you have any question, guys? Any question, guys? about today's lesson? Any question? Anything else? Do you want to know?
No, thank you, sir. Thanks so much.
Yeah. Okay, most welcome. Thank you guys for joining today's class. Yeah, most welcome, Madina. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Good night.